It's confirmed convicted mushroom killer Erin Patterson will launch an appeal against her convictions for 3 murders and 1 attempted murder. Today in court, in an administrative hearing, Patterson's barrister, Richard Edney, confirmed that his clients would challenge the jury's verdict. He said there will be an appeal against conviction. The specific grounds for appeal have not yet been outlined, and formal documentation is expected to be lodged in the coming days. However, it's got to be noted that while Patterson's team must file initial paperwork before Tuesday, a recent change in court rules will allow them an additional 28 days to finalise the leave application. Erin Patterson, who's now 51, appeared at Thursday's hearing via video link. She has a new legal team led by Richard Edney and Julian McMahon, a high-profile barrister best known for defending Australians on death row, including members of Barley 9. Now, the involvement of McMahon, well, this is what the media is saying, signals that Patterson's appeal will be pursued vigorously. Patterson was sentenced earlier this month to life imprisonment with a 33-year non-parole period after the jury found her guilty of the murders of her former in-laws, Don and Gail Patterson, and family friend Heather Wilkinson. She was also found guilty of attempting to murder Ian Wilkinson, Heather's husband. The group fell fatally ill after consuming beef Wellington laced with death cap mushrooms in Patterson's home in Leongatha on July 29, 2023. Patterson at the time claimed she also fell ill but maintained throughout her trial that she did not know the mushrooms were toxic. The jury rejected her defence and found her guilty. The Office of Public Prosecutions is still considering whether to appeal the sentence itself, having earlier argued that Patterson should receive life without parole due to the gravity of her crimes. Now, for Patterson's appeal to succeed, her legal team will need to prove that she suffered a miscarriage of justice or provide fresh evidence that undermines the jury's verdict. We'll have to see what the grounds are, and we'll probably see it. I think they've got to have the final paperwork all done by, the 3rd of November.